Hey, it's Sunday, May 6th, 2018. We're at VegFest LA in Van Nuys Park. This guy knows about chemtrails. Now, even though he's bigger than me, he's a construction worker. Ray is telling me stuff that I don't know. And one thing I wanted to ask you is, what got you started?
Just by looking up in the sky and seeing these large airplanes shooting out this toxic smoke that nobody seems to know anything about. And when you try to ask questions, they don't give you any kind of answer. So what is this doing to our vegetable crops that we're growing in our own homes to stay organic? Or what are they doing to the fields that are growing our food? So it is pretty scary. Just one answer is on what this crap is, because there shouldn't be a bright rainbow going sideways across a sunny day. So there is moisture in the air.
What Ray's talking about is we were just looking up in the sky, and there's a chembo up in the sky. You can see it if you got your sunglasses on. The camera may not catch it.
Yeah, I can't catch it with this.
But it's got this fluorine green stripe running through that sky. Because you can't see it, or the camera can't see it, doesn't mean it's not there.
And your lungs are inhaling it, and that's not good.
Big point. Big point. So what's it like to be, a construction worker and you're talking to your friends on the job?
Well, nowadays they act like you're crazy and you don't know what you're talking about, but everybody's just got to open their eyes to it, and this is something that's not right. Once you look through vegan eyes, the world is a whole different place. So go vegan, go green.
You're concerned for your kids, right?
I'm very concerned for my kids. The kids are the future. What kind of future are they going to have bringing in these chemicals and growing up using pharmaceutical medicines? And we don't need that future for our kids.
Absolutely.
All right. So, just one person here at VegFest LA 2018, Van Nuys in Woodley Park. Los Angeles Skywatch is getting the word out. And guys like Ray are going to get the word out in their own way. He's bigger than me. I would listen to him if he told me something.
This guy is real smart. Appreciate people like you.
Cool, man. All right.
Thank you, guys.
Stay curious.
Always curious.
All right. Yeah.